Hi everyone, so in this video we are going to see how we can configure connectors, interpreters and then device models on the Oracle IoT Cloud server. So for this process we need to have an instance of IoT Cloud server. Once you have instance of IoT Cloud server created for you, you can log on into the IoT Cloud server using the credentials provided by the Oracle. Once you are logged on into the IoT Cloud Server account, this is what you can see the home page of the IoT Cloud Server. We can start configuring the connectors by clicking on this menu icon, then clicking on devices and then connectors. So this is what I have already added these connectors previously. For demonstration purpose, I'll add one more connector on the same page. So by clicking on plus button, we can create a new connector. So let's start with this configuration. I'll name this connector as demo connector. You can have your description as it is. Then in the type, as we are going to send data through JSON request, we need to select this type as HTTP server. So in the configuration part, you will be seeing a URL which will be used for posting the JSON data. So let's add the grammar. In this case, the grammar will be the syntax or the JSON request which we will be sending. So we will enter a valid JSON request here, a valid JSON request. So in this case, hardware ID will be unique for each device. Then we have Knox and PM as an attribute for this type of connector. So now we will validate this JSON request. Okay, it's valid now. Then in the mapping case, we will select hardware ID, and here we need to select properties, then attribute, and then hardware ID. Then click on OK. We'll quickly save this connector. Okay, your demo connector got saved. We'll go back and check whether our new connector got saved. So here we have got the new connector. In the next video, we will be seeing how to add an interpreter. Thank you. Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going